All right, some breaking news coming in at this moment. The Telugu Desam Party has, in fact, demanded the postponement of MLC elections in Telangana today. 6 MLC posts are up for grabs in the state elections today. In a letter sent to the Election Commission, the Telugu Desam Party has said that the political atmosphere in the state is not conducive to fair elections and the polls should be delayed. This comes a day after a TDP MLA was caught bribing another MLA by Anti-Corruption Bureau officials. Let's quickly go across to T.S. Sudhir, editor South, who joins us for more on this. Sudhir, should this letter asking for postponing these elections be seen as a case perhaps of, the TDP realizing that, it's been left embarrassed in this particular case?
Absolutely. In fact, the letter which has been written by L. Ramana, who is the president of the Telangana unit of the Telugu Desam, while asking for the postponement of the MLC elections, actually makes several allegations against Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao, accusing him of using both money power and muscle power to lure TDP legislators to vote for the TRS candidate in the MLC elections. But even as I say that, there are all the TDP MLAs who have already come to the assembly premises here behind me, including Revanth Reddy, who has been allowed by the court to come and cast his vote. Remember, he's already in custody. He was arrested in that sting operation by the Anti-Corruption Bureau here at the house while he was trying to bribe an MLA who is an Anglo-Indian nominated MLA here in the Telangana Assembly. So in a sense, exposing the dark underbelly of politics here in Telangana, the fact that a sitting MLA has been caught trying to bribe an MLA to vote for a TDP candidate in the MLC election really exposes the moral depravity of politics being practiced here in Telangana, with both the TDP and the TRS trading charges. The TRS, of course, has also lured and wooed a lot of TDP and Congress MLAs over the last 1 year to cross over to the TRS side. And the TDP trying to offer money to the tune of 5 crore rupees to vote for the TDP candidate in the MLC elections. Now, if my camera person can just pan the camera and just show you the scenes here, there you can see a large number of MLAs. Those are all the TRS MLAs who obviously are saying that the TDP has shown its lack of ethics here by trying to bribe openly. But the fact remains that a lot of them will have a lot of answering to do as to the kind of politics that is being practiced in the state of Telangana at the moment.
Now, Sudhir, two things. Here, I think the TDP has been very quick to cry political conspiracy. But what sort of a conspiracy is this if, you're spotted openly bribing? Bribe is bribe, right? And this has been done by the Anti-Corruption Bureau. It's a government wing that has actually found this particular person bribing. Also, secondly, for the benefit of our viewers, Sudhir, if you could tell us how these MLC elections are very different from, the Vidhan Sabha elections.
Absolutely. The first point, Revanth Reddy has been one of the most bitter critics of the Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao, and that's why they believe that he is being targeted. Of course, an extremely feeble excuse given the fact that he has been caught on camera trying to bribe Elvis Stephenson, who is the nominated MLA in the Telangana Assembly. Also, the fact that many of the TDP MLAs have moved over to the TRS is being cited as another reason why Revanth Reddy is being targeted. But three, and what is going to be extremely embarrassing for the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister and TDP Chief Chandrababu Naidu is that Revanth Reddy refers to him by name and by the title of boss several times during his conversations over the last 3 days that he was trying to woo Elvis Stephenson onto the TDP side. And that is going to be extremely difficult and embarrassing for Chandrababu Naidu to distance himself. At the moment, TDP completely backing Revanth Reddy in this particular case. Two, the MLC elections extremely significant because even though the TRS on its own, on the basis of its own strength, can win only 4 seats, yet they have fielded a 5th candidate essentially as a ploy to try and ensure that TDP is not able to win an MLC seat. Essentially, an extension of the bitter rivalry between K. Chandrasekhar Rao and Chandrababu Naidu to try and ensure. And there you can see, if I can show you, that's a person, Revanth Reddy, in the white shirt and black trousers, who is there going inside the court doing a namaste. He is the person who is at the center of the storm, hugging the BJP MLAs who have extended support to Revanth Reddy in this hour of crisis and embarrassment for the TDP. That's Revanth Reddy, who has been allowed by the court to come and cast his vote in the MLC elections, which has started at around 9 o'clock and will go on till about 4 o'clock. The results are expected later in the evening. Revanth Reddy, one of the young guns, the senior leaders of the TDP in Telangana, yet finds himself in the center of the controversy, an extremely ugly controversy, caught on camera trying to bribe an MLA to vote for the TDP candidate in the MLC elections.
Absolutely. We are looking at these pictures that you are actually getting us, Sudhir. We can see these pictures. I mean, number one can't see even an iota of remorse, number one. Number two, there is a degree of brazenness that one spots. And number three, and the most surprising, the Bharatiya Janata Party has actually come out in support. Is that what you're saying of this person?
Absolutely. The TDP and the BJP are political partners in both Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and the BJP's 5 MLAs were committed to vote for the TDP candidate. The problem for the TDP now would be that even with Revanth Reddy voting 10 plus 5, they would still be short of 2 MLA votes to win the MLC seat for its candidate, and that is going to be a problem, which is why Revanth Reddy was trying to lure this nominated MLA at least onto the TDP side. It really exposes the dark underbelly of Telangana politics and Indian politics in general. It's not the first time that we are seeing a cash for vote scam in India and Indian politics, but this kind of a cash for vote where it has actually been caught extremely clearly, 50 lakh rupees being put on the table by Revanth Reddy's man in front of the nominated MLA to lure him to vote for the TDP candidate, and a promise of giving another 4.5 crore rupees if he actually kept the promise really an extreme low as far as Telangana and Indian politics is concerned.
That's right. T.S. Sudhir, many thanks for joining us at this moment. Of course, those elections will continue till about 4 p.m. where the MLAs actually elect the MLCs. Elections are presently underway. T.S. Sudhir will get us all the latest on that particular story.